Let's hand sew the lining and the rest of the hood. If you plan on making a few hats, consider making your own tag or signifiers. Consider labeling your hats with your first name, or a family name could be a good place to start. These stitches are all going to be visible, so I like to sew within the fur line rather than around it so that you don't see my stitching. So we're going to do small little stitches. Definitely clean up as you go. Few things to keep in mind as you go along. Keep fur out of stitches, keep the stitches small, and follow the fur line. Here, I'd like to hide the neckline, so I'm going to take my stitches over the edge instead, because we can comb this out. It up through itself. Careful not to poke yourself. Pull it up through here. And stitch within the fur all the way around. So push all the fur down and hold tight on both sides of the fur with your whole left hand. Tug the thread. Only a small distance is needed. Push until you feel I use my ring finger to feel the distance. Pull it to the front. Give it a little tug. Make sure that all the fur is still lying the same way, and repeat. So you just take a little bit underneath and forward. A little bit, poke underneath, pull forward. Get as close as you can to the edge of the fur, but not close enough that it'll unravel on you. The smaller and the cleaner the stitches are, the more invisible they are. Unless you have to comb out. Reaching the end of my thread, I'll tie it off. I like to do a couple sets of knots before starting a new length. secure the stitch a couple times. We're almost done. Let's tie a knot off here before we comb out the edges and lint roll the cotton. Triple check for pins, and it's done. Congratulations, you've completed your first cat hat.